Hey guys, in this video I'll show you how to connect MySQL to Google Data Studio, which is now called Looker Studio. Okay, but the process is the same. First, you're going to come here to the left-hand panel, click on Create, and then choose Data Source. Okay, now we have a bunch of Google connectors, but what we need to do is search for MySQL. Okay, since they also have partner connectors as well, you'll actually see this here. MySQL by Google. If you don't, you can of course search it up. So just go ahead and click on this and just click here and authorize. First, it will ask you to log in with your Google account. Okay. So come here and click on authorize. Wait for the pop-up. Go ahead and choose your Google account. Okay. Just go ahead and select it. And now you just need to enter the information and authenticate. So in the connection, I want you to select the basic. Okay. Or you can also connect using the JDBC URL. You just have to enter your URL, username, and password. Make sure you toggle on this, enable SSL, and enable the client authentication as well. Okay. But you'll need to upload the certificates, then authenticate it. Okay. Or we can, of course, go for basic and put in all of these information. Then come here, click on authenticate, and then you will be able to go ahead and add in the data. Okay, really that easy and simple.